Hi there, it's Said. Today I'm actually making chicken tikka masala. The base you can store in the fridge, and every time you want to make chicken tikka masala, just use some base and add the gravy, chicken, lamb, prawn, whatever you want to make it with. You can easily make it. So that chicken tikka masala base, you can store it in the fridge for 2 weeks. So let's start, guys. What I'm going to do is actually I'm going to use a blender jug. I'm going to add all the spices, everything in there. So I'll show you step by step how to do it. So let's start, guys. I'll add the mango chutney first. I'm using 1 cup mango chutney. Then I'll add the other spice, the spices, coriander one. Actually, I'll use the 1 teaspoon, sorry, half tablespoon of coriander, less than half tablespoon of cumin, less than half tablespoon of garam masala, and I'm going to add some, before I add the salt, I'm going to add this, and I'm going to add tandoori paste, 1 tablespoon, add Kashmir masala, about less than half tablespoon, now I'll add a little bit of salt, about 1/4 of the spoon of salt. I'm going to add mint sauce. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mint sauce. Right, now I'm going to add the coriander. Try to add as much as possible the coriander. The coriander gives very good the flavor into the masala base. Now I'm going to add some lemon juice. As you can see, it's better to have fresh lemon juice, but at the moment I don't have fresh lemon juice at home, so I'm going to use this lemon juice. So add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now I'm going to add some color. I'll add ginger garlic paste now, 1 tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste, I made this ginger garlic paste. I got a recipe video for the ginger garlic paste on my channel. So if you want to have a look the recipe of this ginger garlic paste, you can have a look on my channel. Let's add the yogurt now. Less than half cup yogurt. A little bit. Less than half cup. So that's all the spices, guys. Now I'm going to add sugar and almond powder, fine almond powder, and coconut powder. You can buy these from any Asian supermarkets. I'm going to add sugar, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now I'll add almond powder. So, almond powder I'll add 2 tablespoons, and coconut powder 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to add red food color, 1/4 spoon, and the orange color as well, about 1/4 spoon. That's the all spices, guys. I've already added. That's it, guys. Now I'm going to blend it in my blender. Let me get blended. That's it, guys. I just blended it. That's it, guys. My masala sauce is ready. The base. Let me show you. Look at that, the texture of the consistency of the masala sauce. So you can see the flavor is amazing. What you can do, you can store it in the fridge, and whenever you want to make a curry chicken tikka masala, just use 1 spoon or 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons and make the curry with the gravy. That's it. And you can store this for minimum 2 weeks. Minimum 2 weeks in the fridge. You can store it. It's a very easy, nothing to cook. I mean, no cooking involved, anything. Just use the blender and make it. I'm going to make a recipe with this base chicken tikka masala curry soon. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share, and if you have any question regarding this recipe or anything else, please comment below. I will answer. Thank you very much. Bye bye.